There are two library functions, isinstance and issubclass, we can use to check the relationship between two classes and instances, issubclass and isinstance. Each subclass is a function which is used to check class inheritance. Means, for example, if you're saying each subclass A B, it will return true if A is a subclass of B. Means like first we need to pass name of a subclass, then name of a parent class, and this function returns true false depending on if A is a subclass of B or not. And second function isinstance is used to check instance of a class. Means if you're calling this function like this, isinstance, then object, and then class name, then this function will return true if this variable is an object of class A or any of its derived class here. Okay, so see how we can use. So here we are writing one class A. Now this class we want to keep empty, so we are writing only pass statement over there. Then there is another class B, which is subclass of class A, or say child class. Here also we are saying pass. Now first we are creating object of class A, T, and then we are creating object of class B, that is P. Okay, and here we can call this function. First we will check each subclass function. So to this function we are passing these class names A and B. Okay, now this will return false because actually first we need to pass a name of a subclass here. So right now it will say false. You just change the sequence and say B and A, and it will return true here because B is a subclass of A. On that line, now we can check instance also. So here just call this function isinstance. Now T is instance of class A. So just say return true. Next, you can say P is an instance of class B. So it will also return true. Okay, so these are the two methods. In fact, don't call it as a method. Two functions, isinstance and issubclass, to check relationship between two classes and class and object. And it returned true false depending on the relationship status.